This exercise is a one-point focus using a candle flame to still our mind. When we focus on one single point, without blinking, without looking away, our mind becomes still. This can be done looking at any point, any single thing, without blinking, without looking away. But when we use a candle flame, if we stared at this flame for about 10 minutes, we can now see the flame in your mind's eye. And when you enter into meditation, you'll be able to continue to see the flame even with your eyes closed, allowing you to go deeper into meditation. So if you find that your mind is scattered, that you struggle to focus on what's important, practice this. You can use a flame in a dark room or anytime throughout the day. Find a point in front of you and focus without blinking or looking away. And watch how your concentration starts to improve every single day after. Try it out.